Well, hurricane season is a little more than 2 weeks away, and there are reports that the Federal Emergency Management Agency may not be ready. According to an internal document obtained by ABC News, FEMA is ill-prepared and uncertain about its future. The document was prepared for acting FEMA Administrator David Richardson as he takes the helm of the agency after Cameron Hamilton was fired a week ago. President Donald Trump has publicly talked about dissolving FEMA and leaving most of its work to the states. We reached out to area emergency managers to see if this could impact us locally.
I think we're going to feel the impacts this year. I don't know what next year will bring, but I do know that all disasters are local, and our county is prepared for any disaster that comes our way with our own local resources and assets, along with the state of Florida's resources and assets. I think we should be well prepared for this hurricane season.
A spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security says the claim that FEMA is unprepared was taken out of context and referencing one line in a 19-page slide deck that was used during daily meetings.